GS350. And for some custom Corleone Force 3-piece. What they got going on right now. Corleone Force 3-piece of brush finish. Powder coated match the paint coat of the vehicle. 3-piece, I'm not sure what size. Yeah, 22 all the way around with the floating cap. Got the guys mounting the tires up. That's what is going on. So what is working with the factories. Transform the wheels. Some custom Corleone Force 3-piece wheels are making hot. We also got these going in. Corleone Force Off-Road Series. Shout out to Dallas Elite Jeeps. We also got the little floater. So, got my boy Robert balancing them out. Yes, sir. That's one. We got one in the making. We're gonna do them all one by one, get them all perfectly mounted and balanced. Get back on. We'll be back once the wheels is mounted. What you got going, man? You airing them up? Alright, man. Make sure you got the right pressure in them tires, man. You got the last two going on. Sizzle, go and subscribe, Sizzle. You got the floating caps. That look good. It's gonna look good though. We gotta get a video. We should have got a video when it was pulling out. I ain't gonna lie, that color match came out real good, huh? Real good. You bring your car, we will color match your wheels to your car. Shit, any finish, any size. You want the bitch to float? We can make it float. Whatever floats your boat, you hear me? Corleone Forge, located out here in Fort Worth, Texas. We do it the best. Come spend your money the right way and the only way. Ain't that right, Shizzle? Come spend your money the right way and the only way. Look at that back. Ooh, that Lexus got a big makeover. That's a bad motherfucker. I mean, shit, when you go from this to that, you can't go back. Motherfucking fact. Ain't that right? Yeah, man. Shit, if you got an off-road car, you need some off-road wheels and tires, come on down to Corleone Forge. We'll build it how you want it, any color you want it. Shit, if you wanted to say your name, we could get your name engraved on it. The money's right, it's all right. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. All righty, we all bolted up, ready to go. You know what I'm saying? Ooh-wee. Floater caps on that. Getting ready to get down and roll up out of here. Think they're going to last wheel on. My boy Shizzle. Yes, subscribe to my boy's channel. Follow him on Instagram. Shizzle817. Y'all already know what the deal is. See how that shit float. Yeah, that mug look good.
I put it two wheels. Another that? Come on.
Josh. Per rapidità che è più vicino.
I'm gonna get some tires for the.
Şıvan. Bir emirici dedi. Polish face, really relaxing.